human health and safety awareness videos. In case of electric shock, cause of death is current passes through the body despite low level voltage. Electric shock can cause severe disability or even death. See how this happens. These are the electrical resistances of human body parts. Calculation of electric current passing through it under various conditions, applying Ohm's law. This study shows impedances of the various human body parts, resulting in an equivalent circuit for the electrical path through the body. Currents of about 10 mA can cause a very painful shock. Even a low magnitude of 36 volts can also cause serious consequences. Under certain conditions, produces 36 mA, which is very dangerous level. This detailed video is available on YouTube channel.